welcome back to another episode of the Fender Flare Bearded Panda number 545. Next one, next video. So here's Gabe working. I have to start remembering what video I'm recording for. Here's Gabe working on our new project, and here I am back at the quarter panel with my jacked up thumb. So I had to pull it back off from the last episode, and the reason being is that it needs to be heat molded a little better so it holds on and doesn't keep popping off. So I had to take it off last night, and so that way I can tack glue it in some areas and then go and heat it so it molds down a little better. So I'm going to do that right now. Once that's said and done, then I can start laying the fiberglass, and so that way I'm going to get all that fiberglass laid today, so that way by tomorrow it's ready to peel off and stick on. So yeah, that's always going to be exciting. So stay tuned. Okay, so here it is. I have brought the fiberglass up to this body line here now. So it's bringing it forward, squaring off here, which I still need to fiberglass some more up here. So it comes straight on, so that way it follows the body line that's up here. So if you see it, it starts curving there. And it almost still follows this body line here, but it extends out. And so at the bottom, I still need to heat this section and push in a little bit, but I already started building up the fiberglass there, so that way it gets almost even. And then I'll push, glue that down, and then form that, so that way, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a hard line right here. So I'm pretty much going to have that hard line come all the way forward and start right here. So it makes sense. So it'll start here, start building up, building up, building up. And then this section will kind of like push down. And like the reason for like overlaying, not only so it can have a smooth transition, but also so that way the fender stays in the shape where it's at right now. So that way, when I pull it off, it will pretty much stay in that actual section. Now over here, I still need to work on, of course. It's actually not pushed down. You see. So I just need to like go heat it, push it down, and then bring it down to 2 inches. And that way it actually counterweighs itself. So it's kind of level, you know, so it'll keep shooting through, but it meets up here. So this line comes and meets up there. So that's the kind of look I was going for. So that way it doesn't look like it's shortened up here. And so that will keep that exaggerated line right there, but just flatten out this section here. And then of course around the gas, where is it? There it is. Around the gas cap, like this is pretty much going to get cut and leveled out kind of at an angle. I'll just lay some tape over that and then fiberglass over that. So yeah, hopefully by tomorrow I should be close to completing the actual fiberglassing of this fender flare. And that way I can take some pictures and put them on the Instagram and upload this video. So tomorrow I'll continue this video and try to finish it up and then get it put out for you guys to see. So I hope you all are liking it. I'm digging it. It looks cool. I know it looks a little weird because of the color transitions, so it's kind of hard to imagine at times. But if you got a good imagination, you can see how it's going to go well with the actual body. So I'm going to bed. You guys take it easy. Peace out. Okay, so day 2 of this rear quarter panel fender flare. It's coming along. It's drying out nice. I'm making some really good progress. I'm really enjoying the look. It's looking pretty rad. Yeah. So let's go look at it and I'll talk about it. Here it is, dried up. The front's pretty much dry. I do still need to do this lower section. It's only got 1 layer of fiberglass, but I'll get to it. I'm gonna still do the top and extend it out just a little bit so I have some shaving room. And of course, get this top piece here. Also trim this section, but here's this side. I've already glued it down. and heated it so it molds just right. It's even got the little dip down here. So what I'll probably do, just to like not have to use so much material, is get some of my floral foam, glue it in place right there, and lay over it, but only come up to a certain extent. Like I'll probably only come up to about here, and then like sand it smooth and let that take over and flush in, and hit nice and thick. And then same thing in this corner here. I'm gonna have to fill that in a little bit, and then of course I'll cover up these rivet holes so I can make new ones later. So it's coming along. After this section, the last piece I'll need is down here. Like I said, I just need to heat it, glue it, press it like so, and then have this one body line come all the way to and start at this front point here, which I think is gonna look pretty rad. So let's just keep getting this work done. Here's the foam glued on, and I'm just gonna sand it to where it like flushes out with the body, and then go from there. I'll show you the finished product. Bearded Panda. Now, I know y'all want a record, but I'm not sure if we're gonna put it out as an exclusive. Only you have to watch the video to hear that legit jam. And it's not no bedroom jam, it's Bearded Panda jam. So we pretty much got all this little section done. I brought it all the way down, like I said. It tapers to the body. I still have that one body line. This actually curves just nice like. I mean, it's fucking sweet if you ask me. I mean, y'all feel a little different, that's okay. But I brought it down so it actually counterweights the front now. So as you see there, of course it's not in primer yet or anything, you know, and I still need this lower section here. But it is coming out pretty damn cool. So anyhow, there it is. So tomorrow I should finalize it, let it all cure, and then sand, take out all the little bumps, and it should be ready to rock and roll. There it is, guys. So I hope you like what's coming out, because this is what's going to be up for sale.
Oh yeah.
It's just some small little touch-ups, and that's the way it's going to be. Like length, height, everything except curvatures, yeah. Like, so I'm pretty content with it. I think Gabe's pretty content. I mean, we stared at it for some time, like if it was a first time looking at a porno magazine.
You know, kind of look at it. You want to touch it. It's a little wet.
What? Moist.
The
moist.
Resin.
Oh, the resin. The resin. Right.
So overall, I mean, we're both super. Wow, what's up with that shape?
Oh, it's Parkinson's. Not that I'm picking on anybody with Parkinson's. Spit. Yes.
But no. Overall, we're all super happy with it. The outcome is looking great.
It is.
Man, we're so close, guys.
Yeah.
You know, feedback.
Yes.
You know, throw it in, man. Let us know what y'all think about any project.
Yeah, exactly.
Any questions you may have, toss them over. We'll do our best on answering them, or we'll bullshit through them.
So remember, best, quickest, easiest way is Instagram. But you know what? Hit us up through YouTube too, man. They actually like it. Hit thumbs up if you're liking the builds, or all the builds.
Comments.
You know, comments, we love them. Even if they're negative, we'll still respond to them and just be happy about it.
Hit the little bell.
Yeah.
Subscribe, guys. Come on. We're so close to 1,000.
I know.
Maybe not so close. We're still like 600.
Yeah.
We're closer than we were.
We're pretty happy about it, you know.
Now I see how many views we get.
Yeah,
guys
for sure.
Subscribing.
Yeah, come on.
Help us out, guys.
Support us. We also have those window peeker stickers.
That's true.
You know, we'll toss those out at you too. So thumbs up, subscribe. You guys take it easy. Keep in touch.